Hi all, welcome back. So today is 5th December 2022 and today I have got a chance to take an intraday trade in Sunpharma. So with that intraday trade in Sunpharma, I have booked the profit around 3,450 rupees today. So in this video, I will try to explain how I taken this trade and what is the logic I applied to take this position in Sunpharma. Okay, so for that, let me go to the Sunpharma chart first. Okay, so this is Sunpharma 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, so here I have plotted one key level. I will plot it again. Okay, so here I'm seeing one key support or resistance level here because that key level is that 1030 rupees. So I will explain you why I plotted that level first. Okay, so if you see Sunpharma here, so here on 7th November, once it fell down, it struggled to go above that level. Okay, even after getting the buying there, they again fell down. And even on the next day also, if I zoom, you can see it. The first 5-minute candle, it tried to go above that 1030 level, and again it started falling from there. So even on the next attempt, it's 11th November, it tried to, it just reached that level, and after getting the resistance there, it started falling again. So in the same way, on 17th November also, same thing. First 5-minute candle, it reached to that level, and again it started falling from there. So because of this heavy resistance from that 10,030 level, so here what happened, finally what they did in the recent past, from 24th November onwards, they started going above and they started taking the support. So on 24th and 25th November, that level has given support because once it went above, price went above that key level, it started giving support. Okay, so this is what we are seeing in the recent past. So initially it got heavy resistance from 1030 level, and finally after breaking that level, it started giving the support. Now what is happening from last 2 days is, so especially yesterday, last trading session, that is on Friday, 2nd December, what I observed here is, so there might be some sort of sellers here because let me tell you where exactly. Okay, first I will draw this. So this is 2nd December price action. Okay, so what we are seeing here is Sunpharma opened it here, and immediately from opening, it started falling continuously. It tried to go up again, it started falling continuously. And again, there was some buying candle here, complete bullish candle, a green candle, but again, some sort of selling here. So generally what happens here is, most of the new sellers, new traders, new intraday traders might have thought that this particular place, when price is trading, especially, they thought that this will fall down to that support level. Okay, so there might be more sellers, intraday sellers mainly. They have taken their positions on that day, and they expected that it will fall to that support. But what they did, or what price did on that day, it did not fell to that support. Rather, it took the support there itself. It started taking the support there, and it stayed in that zone only. It did not even go up to the day high. Right. So yesterday, last trading session, sellers managed to come up to this point only, and from there only price started taking support and it went up. So today also what I've seen is, I will extend this support line. Okay, so for your understanding, so today morning I observed again Sunpharma started falling continuously. It started, it reached to that support where it yesterday or the previous session has given a support. It got some support here, one good green candle has happened, but again it fell down, but again they tried to go up, but they failed. Here I understood that that they are going to make an opposite move of last trading session. If you watch my previous videos, I used to I used to tell one thing very commonly, that whatever has happened on one trading session, they will try to make an opposite move of the coming session. So if you see this here, you can understand it very clearly. So what they did in the previous session, they gave the support at this level, and they did not make the sellers to reach that support. reach this 1030 line, and they gave the, they made the move price to move up. Today, what they did, they give the support initially. So those who thought that it will be doing same thing today also, it is wrong, because they are going to do an opposite move. So last session they gave support at this blue line. Today also they gave support, but immediately they started falling down. So this is where I took the trade. Okay, I entered my short position at candle 10-5 candle. So because it closed very strongly below the previous candles, so I entered my position and I have taken, I closed my position with 3 rupees. So my entry point is 1034.3 and my closing point is 1031.3. Okay, so 3 rupee profit I have taken today in the Sunpharma. Actually, my target was at 1030 only. I thought of reaching that. But by seeing the candles here, what happened on 1025 candle, what happened? The buyer started again taking it towards the upside direction. If you see this particular candle, okay, what they did, even after getting good selling during the candle, first half of the candle, by the end of the closing, again, it closed above the previous candle low. So there I thought there might be some buying again may take place. So immediately on the next candle, I closed my position at 1031.3. Because of seeing this spike below the body of the candle, very huge spike below of the body of the candle, I don't want to stay more time and expect that it will come down. So I exited my position first actually. So I was waiting. If it again falls down, I will take another position again, expecting that it will hit that 1039. But unfortunately, during the end, come from there on, price did not fall, or they did not fall below that blue line mainly. So if you see, if it started taking support after moving above that, and even if it fell down, but all you are seeing that spikes below the body of the candles are very huge. So this is not the sell signals. So we should not take any sell actions here. So again, they started taking it up. So this is what I have observed during the day. So I did not get the chance to take another position of selling it and booking the profit at 1030 line. So today, one point which we can note of it is, we have observed this price action. We thought that it will be an opposite move of the previous session. So with that thought, we entered a short position and our target was 1030 only. But even after entering the position, we should observe the candles very carefully. Mainly in intraday position, we should observe each and every candle, how it is performing. So if you are seeing that body, the spikes are bigger at below the body of the candle, that means there is a buying activity is going on in this zone. So that means we have taken a short position and there are buyers started to taking the price up before hitting the target. So that means there is a chance that from there itself, buyers may take it away from our side. So that's the reason. Once I've seen this candle, which is moving, which is giving a hint that there is a buying activity is going on in the zone of 1031 or 1030. So I immediately came out of the position by booking 3 rupee profit there. So, and I was waiting for another position in the same selling mode only, but unfortunately I did not get the chance. So I was observing very carefully when price fell down below the blue color support line. I thought that if any candle which is closing very strong red candle, as it we are seeing on 10:05 a.m. candle. So if any of the candle is closed in that way, then I would have taken the sell position again, expecting that it will fall up to 1030, but did not happen that today. So finally they made it to move the price up again, and they've stayed above the blue color line, that which is a intermediate support for the Sunpharma, whereas 1030 is the bigger support level. So most probably tomorrow they may come to that 1030 if I'm not wrong. We have to wait and see how it happens tomorrow. But today we thought that 1030 will be tested, but that did not happen. And by seeing the candles very closely, we immediately closed our position. So this is what we have taken in the Sunpharma today. So I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you when you're doing an intraday trading. So kindly let me know if you have any doubts, or if you have anything that you want to get it clarified from my side. Kindly let me know in the comment section. I will try to clarify all your doubts in coming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.